When you talk about the P&Ls, Dave, and most people are coming in or a lot of people are coming in and getting an SBA loan.
Mhm.
That means for an existing business, you got to have 3 years of P&Ls, 3 years of tax returns, and those P&Ls need to show solid cash flow where they can pay the loan back.
Mhm.
Okay. Otherwise, the transaction won't take place.
Wait,
Okay.
what's the
So
there's an
sometimes, you always have that double-edged sword, right? Where people will put expenses into their P&L to avoid paying taxes. And that's
yes.
fine when you want to avoid paying taxes. But the other edge of that sword is when it's time to sell and you've done that, you
Hmm.
have a valuation problem.
Yes, you do. Yes,
Okay.
you do.
So
Yeah.
you gotta pick your strategy here. Do you want to save on taxes or do you want to, get a good valuation when it's time to sell the business? You know?
Oh yeah.
So uh, that's a critical factor. And sometimes I've had people come to me and say, "Hey, I think I want to sell," and I'll look at their P&Ls and say, "It's going to take you a couple of years to clean these up."